So we're doing a little sound desensitization with the puppies. So we just let this play. It has knocking, doorbells, fireworks. We just want to let them get used to the noises. Vacuum. So blender noise. And you guys can continue to do this when you bring your puppy home, but I just like them to get used to these noises when they're little before they have their fear period, so that, you know, it's just normal for them to hear these sounds. And this puppy's barking. Charlotte's like, what is that noise? Not your puppies, huh? But yeah, so we'll just let this play, and we do this a couple times a day. Most of the time we want classical music on for them, or, you know, soothing, relaxing music for most of the time, but we'll just do this a couple times a day. Thunderstorms. So yeah, just getting them used to all of it.